Howdy and welcome back to a new video. My name is Anna and today's video is about the fall break. We went to Aiken, the entire family, and here's a little impression of it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and my Instagram so you are updated for everything that's new. Let's go! Hey guys, are you ready? There's Millie and Indy and Polly and Kiki. The entire crew. Are you guys ready?
And Anna.
And Anna is out here. Let's go to Aiken. My host family already went to that farm a couple of months ago where I was in Las Vegas, so the kids were super excited to show me around, and they showed me the cows and the horses, and we fed them together, and they were just like so happy to be back. And those sunsets there, they were unreal, and it was really, really special to be finally there. We stayed in was like a little farmhouse. It was really sweet and the details just made it like really homey and comfy. And we had like one master bedroom, one room for the kids with bunk beds, and another room, and we all stayed together. It was kind of like a little summer camp and we really enjoyed it. Morning and welcome to day 2. Those are the farm dogs. They were so cute and huge. Hi, Paul.
Hi.
Was ist das?
Peter.
Hi, Peter.
And this is my solo 2-4. And this is my solo 2-4.
I love it.
Solo 2-4.
While I was playing with the kids in their room, my host mom prepared a picnic and we all went as a family together into a park, and Paul was playing restaurant there. So it was really fun for us and we really enjoyed that family time. My host dad took the kids home and my host mom took me shopping. We found this really cool secondhand shop and we just like tried on all the different clothes. I felt like I'm in a movie and we had so much fun. We were laughing so much. We were trying on those fur coats and it was just like really special to us. We went back to the farm and just played with the kids a little bit in the barn, and here you can see the perfect way to power them out. Host parents prepared dinner for us. I took the kids on a little stroll and we just explored the entire farm, and Paul stole my hat. So we were just like walking around the farm, and then you can see the big farm dog again. He's kind of like a little bear, and we fed some horses and some goats, and yeah, just had fun together. At night we had some steak, corn, and just some vegetables for dinner. It was so good. And then it was time to make a little bonfire, and Paul was so proud because he and his dad made them themselves. They collected the wood for it and just like did it themselves. And then the stars came out and we were just sitting around the bonfire and chatting, and it was really special, that moment. My host mom found those super amazing shadow play books, so we read that story that night. I will see if I can find the link so I can put it down below because it was really special. Oh my god, you guys, my host parents took me on a polo game that day. I've never been, so it was my first one, and it was probably one of the most American things that you can do. So it was just so fun, but watch it for yourself.
Look at him go.
So that's the part where I felt like Julia Roberts in Pretty Woman, the divot stomping, when the entire like people go on the field to just like stomp the grass again so the second half can go on. After the polo game, I took the kids to the park, and Paul brought his race car, and that thing is not only fast. Paul, what happened? Mit dem Truck?
Yeah.
Oopsie.
Because he was blocking more, so I had to turn. Anna, will we pick this up?
I hope so.
No.
After this, we definitely needed some ice cream. So whenever we travel, I look for the nearest or closest ice cream place and I take the kids there. It's just like our thing. We always have like an ice cream day here in Charleston where we go to Jenny's and just try a new flavor. So that's just like a kind of routine that we do. Yummy! Polly, show me your ice cream. Oh yeah. Then it was time to say goodbye. We left early in the morning around like 6:30 and we had a gorgeous sunrise, and yeah, my host dad and I drove the kids back to Charleston. Then it was time for one last activity with the kids. Thank you so much much for tuning in today. I really appreciate your support. My question for you is, what do you guys do when your kids are off from school or from kindergarten or however old your kids are? Like, are you traveling with your host family or you're staying at home, and what activities do you do with them? So write it down below, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye!